Welcome. Let's explore gorges, some of Earth's most dramatic, massive, and absolutely fascinating geological carvings.
Okay, let's dive into this mystery. How exactly does relentless, flowing water slice straight through solid rock? A gorge is a super narrow, steep-sided valley. Unlike wider canyons, gorges are much tighter, hugging the river. Upstream, vertical erosion totally dominates. The water aggressively carves straight down, creating those intensely steep walls. Watch this waterfall retreat. Water forcefully undercuts the rock, causing collapses, which drives the falls slowly upstream. Over thousands of years, this steady upstream migration leaves behind a massive, incredibly narrow gorge of recession. But water isn't working alone. Tough rocks and massive tectonic shifts also powerfully forge these crazy landscapes. In dry climates, river erosion outpaces weathering. Without rain softening the edges, those steep walls stay perfectly intact.
Let's move to a real-world example and see how this builds at the famous Niagara Gorge. 12,000 years ago, Lake Erie's water began violently spilling over a highly resistant rock ledge. Driven by relentless force, those falls have actually chewed their way about 11 kilometers upstream over time. And this brilliantly illustrates the staggering scale. Picture a chasm, 400 meters wide and 75 meters deep.
Globally, causes vary wildly, from rivers slicing through rising mountains to collapsing underground limestone caves. Remember our distinction? Canyons, like those in the American Southwest, are way wider and more expansive than gorges.
Nature is constantly shaping our world. So what invisible forces are carving the landscape beneath your feet today?